Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely. In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. Before you replace a front wheel on your lawnmower, first make sure the engine has cooled. Next, you should remove the wire and boot from the spark plug to prevent the engine from accidentally starting. Now lift up the front of the mower and support it. Use a 12mm socket to unthread the bolt securing the wheel you're replacing. Before you install the new front wheel, make sure the washer is intact on the mounting bolt, with the curved edge facing down. Insert the bolt through the wheel and into the support. Thread the bolt into the support and tighten. With the repair completed, reattach the wire and boot to the spark plug, and your lawnmower should be ready for use.